If you're an artist and you're trying to figure out how to make money, here are 3 side hustles that you absolutely must be doing. And the first one takes very little effort. It's using YouTube to make money as an artist. You're already making work. Like you can see the painting I'm working on back there. It's in process. It looks kind of like a ghost cat right now. But the thing is that I'm already making this. And so it's really advantageous of an artist to be able to share their craft, whatever it is that you're making, on YouTube, and you can do it live, so you don't even have to edit the videos afterward if you don't want to. This makes it really easy to start a YouTube channel, and people are interested about what you are making. Viewers love to just watch you create. You don't have to do anything special. It can just be background noise for some of them to keep on while they're doing other activities, or sometimes people will watch these long-form live videos to be inspired or make art alongside. And the best part is, since you're already doing this is free money that you could be making, because as soon as you get enough subscribers, you can monetize your channel and you'll be making ad revenue on all of the video views. Now, it does take some time to get monetized, and so you have to realize that going into it. But if you're not putting out that much effort, you're just setting your phone to record and letting it broadcast live on YouTube, it's great. And it's important to know that you can go live on YouTube as a long form video like this one that you're watching now. This isn't a live, but it is a long form video. Or you can go live in the shorts feed, and the lives in the shorts feed get huge amounts of exposure right now because YouTube is promoting this feature on the platform. This next side hustle makes me upwards of $1,500 per day, so it's really worth it. But I just want to put in here, it is not a side hustle for the faint of heart. I mean, if you're wanting something easy, this is not the path, but it is extremely lucrative. And it's art fairs. I've made an entire playlist. You can see it in the description that shows you exactly how to do art fairs, and all you need is about a $500 investment to set up your art booth. Let me tell you, if you have a lot of artwork that you've already made, especially if you've made them into art prints, you can sell so much art at art fairs. It's a lot of hard work, but it can be so worth it financially. And the great thing is that you can do this as a side hustle while you're working a full-time job, because art fairs are on the weekends. So you can maybe ask for a 3-day weekend, like an extra day off, and then use that to do an art fair. So it's a great way to make money even if you are a part-time artist and have a full-time job. The last side hustle is teaching. There are so many ways as an artist that you can earn extra income by teaching your craft that you've developed over years of practice. People want to know how you do it because they want to do it too. And this can take shape in workshops or online webinars, online classes. There's all sorts of ways to structure this. I see lots of artists having success selling their courses on things like Domestika, but you can also sell higher priced courses if you sell them yourself. I see artists selling courses for $125 for about 2 hours of video. Now, if you think about it, go back to the beginning of this video when I was suggesting for you to record all of your art making live and put it on YouTube. Now, these would just be recordings with maybe some background music. It wouldn't be you explaining the reasons behind why you are making your decisions. But you could take some of those long videos. Let's say you had a 4-hour video of you making a painting from beginning to end, and then you can cut it up, add narration, and then make that into a course and sell it on your website or through social media by giving a person a link to your YouTube video to watch this unlisted video once they pay for it to be able to do the course. It can be very simple, and you can make extra money doing this. And if you don't want to sell your courses online, you don't have to. Like I said, you can do in-person courses. There are lots of art academies and community centers that are offering courses, and you can reach out to them and say, hey, I know how to do this thing. I want to make this course and sell it to people. And you can sell your courses in person. Next, if you'd like to learn more ways to make income as an artist, watch this video. There are 30+ revenue streams in here, so it will give you so many ideas to make money. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.